Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Joel Crisp. I was born in Peterborough, but I'm proud to say I come from Cambridge. This is my natural accent. I'm going to say the following sentences, starting with a tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells seashells on the seashore. I have parked my car in the garage. If you are looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is hot today. I love summer. I would like to go for a walk on the beach, but I also love it when it rains. When I'm outside, I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I would love a coffee, and please could I have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and some mushroom. I love to eat bananas. I don't think it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favourite animal is a cat, but I also love dogs. I would love to travel to the following cities: London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Birmingham, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Be kind to others. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for Charlie, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog, G is for gold, F is for hello, I is for ice cream, J is for joy, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mother, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for pepper, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for Sarah, T is for tomorrow, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for water, X is for X-ray, Y is for yellow, and Z is for zebra.